Hello friends, how are you all? Hope everything's okay with you. Love you, Ashraf here. So for today's video, I would like to present to you guys this simple recipe, chicken stir fry with carrots and broccoli. Hope you like it, my friends. Thank you all so much for watching. See ya.
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the day? I don't know what we say. The future's far away, but I will stay. Because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, we're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life.
so our recipe is ready and hope you like it. It's very easy to make. And before I end up our video for today, I would like to give you some health benefits about the ingredients that we use for today. It's the carrots and broccoli. And I will start with the carrots. Did you know that carrots are full of benefits? They may promote healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, help with weight management, lower your risk of cancer, regulate blood pressure, reduce heart disease, improve immunity, and boost brain health. And you won't regret incorporating more of these vegetables into your diet. And now let's talk about the health benefits of broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-rich vegetable that may enhance your health in a variety of ways, such as by reducing inflammation, improving blood sugar control, boosting immunity, and promoting heart health. Which part of broccoli is most nutritious? Some people prefer broccoli florets, but you can eat the leaves and stems too. The stalk contains the most fiber, while broccoli leaves are highest in cell-protecting antioxidants, vitamins E and K, and calcium. So that's it for today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for your support. Hope you like our video for today. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we post our new videos. Thanks once again, my friends, and hope to see you on our next video. Bye for now.